What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. And it feels a lot better than it did a few minutes ago because it was cold as hell. I don't know if I want to go in there, man. I might get jumped or something. Work for Kyle. Man, that's one ugly dude. You can go in there though. Once I hear you screaming, I'm just gonna keep walking. All right then, you guys, let's go. I want to show you guys this truck, man.
So I gave her a choice. Either a bike or a toy.
Damn, look at these tires though. This thing is huge. Oh, Jesus. I should just walk right next to him, but hey, you guys, I got a Monster. I don't really drink these, but I done had my coffee because of this dude right here. He's like, come on, yo, come on, let's roll. He's like, come on, bro, we need to go out here and get these cars. Let me get a little closer. Most of these cars I already showed you guys, but I'm gonna show y'all again. Hopefully y'all can hear way better because I don't have the little piece on there. That way you can muffle all the sounds out. I like this color on here. I don't really normally drink these, but I'm at the tight fit right now. It's not bad. Come on. But let me get away from that copyright right quick, man. You guys, each time I wake up, I feel like I'm getting closer and closer to a car like this. Man, closer and closer each and every day. That's why I pray, wake up, and I'm like, God, give me the strength.
Exactly how I want to be asleep.
Oh, well, you know, I had to check this out. My dream car for sure. Man, I want one of these so bad, man. You guys have no idea. Think I'm gonna get this, Dorian? Think I'm gonna get this? Yeah, I can get it, but insurance, man. Boy, man, this thing is just, man. Seen that Mustang. That's nice too. See, I like the classics. It's the one everybody was looking at, trying to figure out what it was. It's a SS with a different badge. See, check it out. I'm doing everything with my left hand. Or I can get a older charger and build it up like this one. It depends. What do you think I should do? Oh, shoot. Well, we almost had an incident just now. Almost lost a leg. This is I might. Scat pack. Thanks for telling me. I didn't even see it. Ooh, Rudolph. Hey, Rudolph, give me a Hellcat for Christmas, please. Begging you. Might be a scat pack. One of these so bad. Scat pack. I mean Daytona. Another Hellcat, man. This one white though. Oh. Skip over a little bit of 392. TA. Now, one thing for certain, don't give this car a monster. It be gone. Finish where we left off. Ain't no IG on here, so I like these rims.
Got bought by Convergence. Convergence got bought by Central.
Oh, there it is. Look, why buy the Hellcat? No, this is the red eye. Look at that. First time seeing a red eye. Well, no, it's my second time seeing a red eye. You know what Dodge should have did? Gave like a red grill, little strip. Or it could have been like, each light could have had, like one side could have had a red eye on it. Or
You have to be clear. Your headlights have to be clear.
no, like they could put like a little red symbol somewhere in the front, because See, right now it looks like it's just a regular Hellcat. The only way you can tell is the symbol.
That's a red eye.
I like this. Mustang. Ooh. Now what is Dorian run off to? Tesla, man. So if you guys like the video, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you can be alerted anytime I post a video. And also leave a comment down there below and tell me what y'all think. I truly appreciate everybody that subscribed to my channel. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And appreciate Mr. Dorian for coming out again. And Dorian said he gonna come with me every time. Ain't that right? He ain't saying nothing. But I'll see you guys in this video. Deuces. Look at this, bro. Oh my God, I want one so bad, man.